Hello and welcome to I Speak English Daily. We are so happy you're here to learn with us. In today's video, we are going to learn a super important skill, the simple present tense. We practice this tense by reading and listening to a fun story. Today's story is about Fix the robot. Fix has a very busy, clean routine, and we are going to learn all the simple present verbs he uses every day, like cleans and makes. Ready to begin? But first, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video if you want to learn English and improve your listening skills. Let's start listening to the story of Fix the robot.
This is Fix. Fix is a friendly robot. He lives in a small blue house. Fix has big, glowing blue eyes. He always smiles. Fix likes to help his friends. Every day, Fix wakes up early. He cleans his small house first. He eats a metal bolt for breakfast. Then he goes outside. He sees his best friend, a little dog named Pip. Fix waves hello. Pip wags his brown tail happily. Fix fixes Pip's broken red ball. He uses his strong metal hand to repair the ball quickly. Pip is very happy now. He barks thank you many times. Fix walks to the park. He helps the children there. He holds a big yellow kite for a small girl. He pushes a swing for a friendly boy. Everybody loves Fix. He is a kind and helpful robot. Fix comes home in the evening. He sits down and reads a new book. He thinks about his nice day. Fix sleeps well. He waits for a new day to help his friends.
Amazing work! You just finished listening to the story of Fix the robot and learned many new verbs in the simple present tense. Remember, Fix cleans, Fix makes, Fix sleeps. The best way to learn is to repeat, repeat, repeat. Listen to this story 2 more times today and try to say the sentences out loud with the robot. If you enjoyed learning with Fix, please do these 3 things. Subscribe to I Speak English Daily so you don't miss our next story. Like this video to tell us you love learning grammar through stories. Comment below and tell us, what is your favorite job that Fix does? Thank you for practicing with us. We will see you next time for a new fluent fable. Happy learning!